So guys, welcome to this video. Um if you're watching for the very first time, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. And if you're watching this particular video, I believe you must have gotten this app. If you have not gotten it, make sure you click the link on the description and get this app. Is a robot. In case you don't know what we are doing, we are actually making money with a Utrading robot. And this robot has the capacity to make you a lot of money. So we're actually using these robots to make money. If you have not joined the WhatsApp community, click on the link on the description to join the WhatsApp community. And just like I said on the previous video, that I'm going to show you guys how to connect your API to your different exchange. So that's what we're going to do in this particular video. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your API. When you click on the API, if you don't know where the API is, as you can see, this is the API. So once you click on the API, it will take you to your Binance or to your different exchange. As you can see, this is Binance, Buyget, OKX, Bybit, Bitmart, KuCoin, and the rest. So if you're in Nigeria, it's advisable you can use Bybit, Buyget, OKX, and any ones you are familiar with. If you're in the US, you can use Binance US. If you're in UK, you can use OKX and so on. So in case you have any question, you can let me know with the country you are. So all we need to do is to connect our API, and that's what we're going to do in this video. So I'm going to use Binance. So click on Binance. As you can see, these are the requirements. These are the things you need to do. These are the things you need to do. You need to enable reading. You need to also enable spot margin trading. You need to enable futures. So those are the things we need to do. So first of all, we need to go to our exchange. Yes, we need to go to our exchange right now. So we're going to come to our exchange. So as you can see, this is our exchange. So we need to click here on these right hand top. So your left hand top. When you click here, you're going to scroll down to more services. You scroll down to where you have API. As you can see, this is orders and this is API, marketplace, and the rest. So you click on API. So when you click on API, it's gonna open the API dashboard. So when you click on create API, you click on next. You leave it on self-generated API. So you give it a name. So I'm going to give it 2025 robots. Just spell that well. Robots. Call it API. You must not give it this particular name. You can give it any name of your choice. So click on next. When you click on next, you wait for some verifications. So I'm gonna do my verification. So for some persons, you're gonna be asked to put in your email verification code. But for me, they're telling me to sign up, to sign into my device, because I actually use my Android phone to do this. So I'm gonna scan this. So I'm gonna scan this, so it doesn't need to give me some time. I think that's done. So pay attention. So first of all, you need to click on edit. When you click on edit, you come here and copy this API key. Copy this API key right here. API key. So you click on copy here. So when you click on copy, you go back to your exchange, to your Utrading app. You paste it here. So when you paste it here, you go back to your exchange. Very simple. You click on this drop button here. This drop button here. So once you click on this drop button, you copy your secret key. You copy your secret key. I'm gonna copy that. So when you copy your secret key, you go back and paste it here. Then you go back again to your exchange. Very simple. You come down, and remember I said you need to follow the instructions. So most of you that cannot follow this kind of instruction, there is a image instruction. You can also follow image tools. You can also follow. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna skip that. Those are the things we need to follow here. Enable reading, enable spot margin trading, enable futures. So we go back to our exchange, we enable spot margin trading, we enable futures. So when we do that, for some newbies, you may not have futures right here. So all you need to do, you go to your exchange, you go to your Binance, transfer your if you have any USDT, even if you have 10 USDT or 5, transfer it to your futures and transfer it back to your spot, or you can leave it on futures before you do this API binding, so that you can enable futures, because the AI is going to be trading futures mostly for you. So when you do that, you come down here and click on this restrict access. The last button here, you click on restrict access. When you click on restrict access, you go back to your Utrading app. When you come back to your Utrading app, you click on this IP access restriction. When you click on IP access restriction, you come back. I don't want this video to be too long. And click on and paste it here. When you paste it, you click on confirm. When you click on confirm, you discover that it has been added. So you go up and you can come back to your so after that, you click on save. When you click on save, yes, when you click on save, you'll be asked to put in some of your details. So I'm going to do the same thing again here. I'm going to do the same thing I did, so I can pass this process. I'm going to scan this. So when I scan this, and I'll come back to I'll copy my secret key. After saving it, I'll copy my secret key and come back here, and I'll paste my secret key. Then I'll click on connect. As you can see, it has successfully connected. It has been connected successfully. So I'll click on OK. When I click on OK, I can come back here and close. I go back, and I go back and go back. So my API has been connected. So I'll come back to my app, to my Utrading app. If you discover I have 100 pending UGAs already. So I actually claimed that when I was trying to log in to the app. So you can actually also claim that too. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. and I will show you how to get your gas in the next video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.